In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize email templates in QuickBooks Online. We'll be taking a detailed look at how to personalize your communications with customers, making your invoicing process not just routine, but truly engaging and professional. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Start by opening your browser and navigating to the QuickBooks Online login page, which is located at qbo.intuit.com. Enter your login credentials as you would normally and proceed to sign in. Once you're in, you'll have access to the dashboard where you can manage all your business finances. Next, let's access the custom form styles. Look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the settings gear icon. This is where you'll find all the important settings you need to customize your QuickBooks experience. Under the section labeled Your Company, you'll see an option for custom form styles. Selecting this will take you to a new page where we can start the customization process. On this page, you'll see a list of all your existing form styles. If you're looking to make adjustments to an already created style, find the form you want to change and click on the Edit button next to it. Alternatively, if you'd prefer to start fresh with a brand new look, click on New Style, and then select the type of form you wish to create, such as an invoice. Either option will open the form style editor, allowing you the freedom to tailor things to your liking. Once inside the form style editor, focus your attention on the Emails tab. This is where the magic happens for customizing email messages that accompany your forms. You can modify the default email subject line and the body of the email message. One trick to making your emails more personal is using placeholders like or. These placeholders will automatically insert the customer's name or the specific invoice number into the email, producing a friendly and personalized message each time you send it out. After crafting the perfect email message, remember to save your changes. Look towards the bottom of the page and click either Done or Save, depending on which option you see. This step is crucial because it ensures all your hard work is not lost and that your newly customized templates are ready to be used. With your updated email template now saved, you're all set to use it when sending forms. Whenever you issue an invoice, estimate, or any other type of form, QuickBooks will automatically pull in your personalized email template, giving your communications a professional and consistent appearance. This streamlined personal touch can significantly impact your customer interactions, making them feel valued and respected. And that's it. You've effectively learned how to customize email templates in QuickBooks Online. Now go ahead and make your emails and communications stand out with your own personalized touch. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.